My name is Katy Limpert. I'm a PhD student at Deakin University, and my research focuses on inland wetland carbon dynamics. So essentially how carbon is stored within the wetland ecosystems and how it's released. These ecosystems can hold about 1.6 gigatons of carbon per year. So that's a lot of carbon. I like to kind of have this little factor. It's about 6 million blue whales worth of carbon on a global scale, which I don't know if you can picture 6 million blue whales, but it's a lot of carbon that's stored within these systems. Unfortunately though, when you degrade a wetland ecosystem, all that carbon that was stored can be released as CO2 and methane. And methane's the really potent greenhouse gas. Climate change is one of the biggest issues that we have today, and if we have a natural system that can store carbon for long periods of time, that's great. We can obviously continue to increase these wetland areas to store carbon for longer. So I think this is kind of a newer hot topic that we're trying to solve before things get worse. And the best way to do that is to educate people. So continue your research, continue education, have these seminars, go out to the public. Just outreach, is really important part of what we do, because if we just talk to scientists, that's not going to solve the whole problem. We need to get out to the public and let them know what's going on. I think the best thing about these positions is that you get to do a bunch of different things. I walk into my desk and I'm like, am I going to be out in the field today for some, carbon collection, or am I going to be in the lab analyzing carbon on the carbon and nitrogen analyzer? Am I going to be helping with a side project? Am I going to be doing, an interview? I'm going to be talking to the public today. It's just, you get to do a bunch of different things, all really important to research and academic outreach and things like that. But yeah, I like being able to have something different every day. I'm not just sitting at my desk, 9 to 5, staring at a computer. I really like the idea of being able to go out in the field for a period of time and get back to nature for a bit and come back with some good data.